Good morning students. In previous video we have discussed the question answer of chapter 2nd. So we have discussed question 1st, 2nd and 3rd, and in 4th question we have talked about Kuchipudi dance and Bhangra dance. Okay, the two remaining I have given to you to do yourself. Okay, so I am explaining the third. So form of dance is Manipuri and it belongs to Manipur. Okay, and the special feature of Manipur dance is this is a delicate dance form and the feet of dancer never strike the ground with a loud sound कि जो डांसर के फीट हैं, पैर हैं, वो ग्राउंड के साथ लाउड साउंड के साथ कभी भी टच नहीं होते हैं. ठीक है, मीन्स उनमें स्टेप है वो बहुत ही डेलिकेट किए जाते हैं, तो उसमें से साउंड नहीं आता है. ये नहीं कि मतलब जैसे भांगड़ा वगैरह में जो पैर है उसको साउंड ज़्यादा होती है, तो दिस इज़ वेरी डेलिकेट डांस. ओके, so Manipuri belongs to Manipur and this is a delicate dance form and the feet of dancer के जो feet हैं never strikes the ground with a loud sound. Okay, and the next we have D is Kathakali. Okay, Kathakali belongs to Kerala. Kathakali and Kerala, KK. Kathakali belongs to Kerala. Facial makeup used to highlight the expression is one of the most important feature. Okay, so जो facial expression है मीन्स कथकली डांस का इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर क्या है कि इसमें जो फेस मेकअप है उसको हाईलाइट किया जाता है और उसी जो एक्सप्रेशन है वो दिखते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ कथकली डांस. ओके, सो कथकली एंड बिलोंग्स टू केरला. कथकली बिलोंग्स टू केरला एंड facial makeup is the most important feature of this dance form. Okay, next question number 5th, we have write the information on various handloom sarees in the given space. Okay, so we have to write the one or two line on the handloom sarees. Okay, so the name of the handloom sarees we are given, we have to explain about the saree. So Sambalpuri sari, this handloom sari belongs to Odisha. Okay, belongs to Odisha, and special feature of this handloom sari is images of flowers and animals are created on the sari. Okay, कि जो साड़ी है उस पे एनिमल्स और फ्लावर्स की पिक्चर को क्रिएट किया जाता है, बनाया जाता है साड़ी के ऊपर. सो संबलपुरी साड़ी बिलोंग्स टू ओडिशा एंड द स्पेशल फीचर ऑफ दिस साड़ी इज इमेजेस ऑफ फ्लावर्स एंड एनिमल्स आर क्रिएटेड ऑन दिस साड़ी. ओके, नेक्स्ट वी हैव पटोला साड़ीज. ओके, so this it belongs to Gujarat. Okay, mainly the Patan. Okay, that is in Gujarat. So Patola sarees that belongs to Gujarat and the special feature of these sarees are bright color and patterns are used to make sarees. Bright colors and patterns are used to make sarees. Okay, so Patola saree that belongs to Gujarat and special feature bright color and pattern are used to make saree. Okay, next we have Banarsi. Okay, next handloom saree is Banarsi. So Banarsi sarees is famous of Banaras. Okay, so Banarsi sarees are famous of Banaras. So the special feature of Banarsi sarees are gold and silver work is used on these finely woven साड़ी कि अच्छे से वोवन की हुई. ओके, वीविंग करते हैं ना पहले, तो अच्छे से जो ये साड़ियाँ तैयार की जाती है, इन पे क्या किया जाता है, गोल्ड और सिल्वर वर्क किया जाता है. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द स्पेशल फीचर ऑफ बनारसी साड़ी? गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर वर्क इज यूज्ड ऑन द बॉर्डर ऑफ द साड़ी मेनली. ओके, सो बनारसी साड़ी बिलोंग्स टू बनारस and gold and silver work is used on these finely woven sarees. Okay, so handloom saree we have given first Sambalpuri saree that belongs to Odisha and images of flowers and animals are created on the saree. Then we have Patola belongs to Gujarat. Bright color and pattern are used to make saree. Then we have Banarsi belongs to Banaras. Gold and silver work is used on this finely woven saree. Next question we have, how is classical music different from folk music? How is classical music different from folk music? Okay, so the one side we have classical music and the other side folk music. So we have to tell the difference between classical music and folk music. We have discussed in the chapter different type of classical dance belongs to different state, like Bharatanatyam, Kathakali from Kerala, okay, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh. So we have discussed different type of classical dance and also folk dance like Bhangra. So a classical music use performed in the court of king in older times. So here we are talking about as classical music. So classical music like classical dance was performed in the temple in older time, or we can say it was started to perform in temple, and classical music was performed in the court of king in older time. Okay, classical music was performed in the court of king in older time. Okay, and folk dance, folk music is sung by people, ये लोगों के द्वारा गाया जाता है on different occasion like wedding, childbirth, etc. Folk music is sung by people on different occasion like wedding, childbirth, etc. Okay, so this is the difference between classical music and folk music. Okay, so we have discussed question first of about dance form. Kuchipudi belongs to Andhra Pradesh, and in this dance special feature that it is more flexible than other classical dance. Then we have talked about Bhangra, Punjab. Bhangra is performed celebrate to harvest season. Then Manipuri, okay, Manipuri dance belongs to Manipur and delicate dance form and feet of dancer never strike. Then we have Kathakali belongs to Kerala. Kathakali belongs to Kerala. Facial makeup is used to highlight the expression. Then we talk about the handloom sarees. Sambalpuri belongs to Odisha. Flower and animals are created on the sarees. Then Patola belongs to Gujarat. Bright color and pattern are used to make sarees. Then we have Banarsi saree belongs to Banaras. Gold and silver work is used to finally woven sarees. Okay. Then we have the difference between folk music and classical music, as folk music was performed in court of king in older time and classical music was performed in court of king in older time, and folk music is sung by the people on different occasion like wedding, childbirth, or we can say harvesting season. Okay, so students, write the answer of this question in your my observation book part 1. If you face any problem, any doubt, you are free to ask. Thank you.